Hello friends, today I am going to unbox zebion Argo USB keyboard. I have brought it from Amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. It is packed in thick polythene casing so that water and dust contents may not damage the product, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. And now I am going to rip it open. Now I am cutting it through, and here I have cut it, and here I am taking out the keyboard. This is the keyboard, and this is the zebion Argo keyboard. It has a 1 year warranty. The keyboard looks very aesthetic. The MRP of the keyboard is rupees 699 INR, but I got it at a deal price of rupees 375 INR, and it is ergonomically designed. And here this is the back side. Here you can see the barcode, and there are other details about the product. It is zebion Argo USB keyboard, and it is also tightly sealed from all sides as a logo of its authenticity. And now I am going to open it, and here I am opening it. The zebion keyboard is packed in thick cardboard box which measures 165 mm into 150 mm into 40 mm. And here I opened it and kept aside the box, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard looks very aesthetic, and it is packed in thin polythene. Here I have taken out the polythene. It has black and red keys, and this is the keyboard. The keyboard is of standard size, and it comes with all the standard alphanumeric keys such as English letters, alphabets. This is the back side of the keyboard. On the back side you can increase the height so that you can type very comfortably, and here there is the barcode, and here I've increased the height. These are meant to increase the height. Its pocket friendly pricing makes your money worth. The ARM core wired keyboard provides a convenient solution for everyday home and office computing. The keyboard is ergonomically designed to minimize the muscle strain so that you can prioritize your comfort while typing. The keyboard's full layout allows your full comfort of your arm and your finger. It is excellent for everyday use and is virtually does any task at hand. And here this is the keyboard. The special keys are highlighted in red. It has a 1 year comprehensive warranty. And here you can see these are the arrow keys. These are highlighted in red, and here the keyboard is also very nice. The keys are affixed in compact frame. The zebion keyboard looks very aesthetic. It has a membrane tactile key switches. The keystroke lifetime is 10 million life cycle. It comes with a USB interface so that you have just to plug in and play, and it is ready. The system requirements are Windows 7 and above, and it requires Mac 10.x and above. There are 104 keys in total. The material of the keyboard is made of plastic and fiber so that you can feel very comfortable while typing. And this is the USB. You have just to plug in and play. It is a wired keyboard. And here this is the keyboard. It looks very aesthetic. You can type very comfortably and do your work very comfortably, and it is also very nice. And here this is the keyboard, just to plug in and play. The keys are noise free so that you can work without any disturbance, and the keyboard is made of fiber and plastic, and the fiber provides a tensile strength to the keyboard, and so that it may not break very easily. And here the special keys are highlighted like Z and arrow keys. These are highlighted in red, and the company is zebion. And the keyboard is also very ergonomically designed. The zebion keyboard is of standard size and it has all the standard alphanumeric keys such as English letters, alphabets, numeral and navigation buttons. And here the keyboard is also very nice. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.